if you don't know the show, Def Jam on HBO started a couple decades ago. I try to change my image. I try to be what I'm not, and that never works out, man. You got to surrender to your geek, freak, whatever. So, but I walk on. Thank you for sharing that, man. That's had some bass to it. That's like napalm coming up here, man. You eat bologna for lunch?
That was not a man.
That was the girl?
That was the girl.
God damn, girl. If you could belch like that, you could take some fucking donkey dick. That's for damn sure. You just cleaned your soul. Oh my God! That was a lady that did that? Did you got a lady dick to go with that too? Cause that's a. Yo, bro, you gotta be proud, man. That's oh, good. Oh.
Yeah, Emily, and his dog's going.